Hello friends, we now solve question number 5 of exercise 2.3. Okay, the question is that give examples of polynomial px, gx, qx and rx which satisfy the division algorithm and degree of px equal degree of qx, degree of qx equal degree of rx and degree of rx equal 0. Okay, according to division algorithm theorem, if px and gx are two polynomials where gx not equal 0, okay, then there exist two polynomials qx and rx such that px equal gx into qx plus rx, okay, where degree of rx equal 0 or degree of rx less than degree of gx. Okay, in division algorithm theorem, px is called dividend, gx is called divisor, qx is the quotient and rx is the remainder. Okay, now question number 1, degree of px equal degree of qx. Okay, degree of quotient will be equal to degree of dividend when divisor is constant. Okay, so now let us assume that px equal 8x cube plus 6x square plus 2 and gx equal 2. Okay, here degree of px is 3. Okay, now if we divide this by 2, then qx will be 4x cube plus 3x square plus 1, so and rx equal 0. Okay, here degree of qx is also 3, so degree of qx is equal to degree of px. Okay, now checking for division algorithm. Okay, px equal gx into qx plus rx. Here gx means 2 into qx means 4x cube plus 3x square plus 1 plus rx means 0. Okay, so 8x cube plus 6x square plus 2. Okay, therefore the division and then is satisfied. Okay, this is question number 2, degree of qx equal degree of rx. Okay, let us assume that px equal x cube plus x and gx equal x square. Okay, so we divide this by x square. So here is x square and divisor is x square. So multiply this by x cube by x. Okay, so qx equal x and rx equal also x. Okay, so degree of qx equal 1 and degree of rx equal 1. Okay, so degree of qx and degree of rx is same. Okay, now checking for division algorithm. Checking for division algorithm. Px equal gx into qx plus rx equal gx means x square into qx means x plus rx means x. Okay, so x cube plus x. Okay, therefore division algorithm is satisfied. Okay, this is question number 3. Degree of rx equal 0. Okay, degree of rx will be 0 when the remainder becomes a constant term. Okay, rx will be 0 when remainder becomes a constant term. Okay, so assume that px equal x square plus 1 and gx equal x. Okay, now we divide this by x, so x square plus 1. Okay, so qx equal x and rx equal 1. So degree of rx is 0. Okay, so rx is 0. Okay, now checking for division algorithm. Okay, px equal gx into qx plus rx. Okay, gx means x into qx means x plus rx means 1, so equal x square plus 1. Okay, therefore the division algorithm satisfied. Thank you.